welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, but you're a beginner in being beginner, please go to the lesson number 1. This is cool for you, and it's better to follow the schedule so you don't get lost and forget about me and continue on with your life. Now, when I give you step by step, you have to follow it, otherwise I get mad and frustrated, and then I will find you, and then you got the point. If you've been following me since the first lesson, did your homework, and now you're here, I'm so grateful to you, but I'm also very proud of you. I hope you're as well. And today we are doing upper body A with the dumbbells. But if you're here for the first time, but you're not beginner in being beginner, you already know some things, now you want to check if you know the right things, or you just want to learn something new regarding lifting weights, you are bored with only bodyweight exercises and you want some bigger results and you want to progress and eventually maybe also go to gym, then you're at the right place. You don't have to go through all the videos from the beginning, but at least check all the videos with weights. Today we are doing upper body A with weights. That's pushing movement for shoulders, triceps and chest. I will try to be short. There are many other videos that are a bit longer, so let's keep it short today, people. Only 2 exercises, okay? Promise. First, we're doing chest press. I told you to buy 2 weights, and if you took me seriously and you took yourself seriously, you have those weights now. Otherwise, I'll find a way. Then we will lay on our back and first take only 1 weight. You're testing your strength and checking out which equipment is optimal for you. If you're doing it with 1 weight, I suggest to hold it like this, so we have enough space to bring our elbows a bit out, not keep them super tight on our body, okay? Then, as always, we don't want to round your, to have big curve in your lower back. So engage those abdominals to reduce the distance between your lower back and the ground. Put your elbows slightly out and weight in the middle of your chest. If you want me to be precise, put them directly in line with your nipples. And then press on the way up, slowly on the way down, touch the ground, up, slowly down and up. You have to control the movement, otherwise you will lose. You will not lose, you will just lose your line, your nipple line. Okay, so as you see, when you're holding it this way, it's a bit hard to keep your elbows a bit outside. It will be still a bit tighter, a bit more triceps. It's fine, because better than nothing. And if you cannot, if this is already very hard, then that's where you will start, and when your arms get stronger, then you will be able to do it with both weights. When you're done, slowly put it on the side. Don't let it drop. Don't annoy your neighbors, please. And if that was very, very easy, or at least you feel confident you can do more, then please take both weights. I suggest you always, when you're starting with this exercise, put the weights next to you, legs in between, then take one, put it on your upper leg, one then the other, put it on your upper leg just above the knees, and then bring the knees up to help you put the weight in the proper position, which is again in line with our chest. Here, please always keep your wrists straight. You don't want to bend them like this and put too much pressure. Then you will go towards the ground, 45-degree angle between your upper arm and your body, and you press up. It's very important to keep your forearms stable instead of wiggling. I've been using the word wiggling quite often. I don't even know if that's a word. If it is, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I will live my whole life saying something that doesn't exist. Okay, you got the point. Okay, then please find the option you think is for you for today, and let's do together 10 repetitions. Okay, so let's do it with the easiest way. Up, up, slowly down, feet down, and slowly control towards the ground. Press slowly down, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Knees up, weights on your legs, and come to seated position again. As you notice, now I was just counting, I was not talking because I get lost in all of that, and then we have no clue how many reps we did. And today I'm so on point. That's it. That's enough for chest press. You will see other home workouts. They have many variations of press like this, press like that, press like that. It's basically the same. Principles are the same. Keep your wrists nice instead of uncomfortable like that, okay? Keep the weight as you move it in line with your chest. If you don't overarch while you're laying, you'll be fine. It should be very simple, okay? Then we go to exercise number 2, shoulder press. First, as chest press, we need to find what's your position. What's your option? Position towards the weights. You know what I mean. So first, we will take 1. Shoulder press, you can do while standing, you can do while kneeling, you can do while sitting. It will not be anything problematic, whatever you're doing, that person in the video is doing. I'm just telling you, it's no mistake. Only thing, as you're sitting or kneeling, it gets harder because you cannot use lots of momentum from the rest of your body to help yourself lift the weight. So just pick whatever you want, no matter what the person there is doing, as long as your form is good. And form is this. First, we will test with only 1 weight, okay? I will stand sideways so you see that I'm not doing what? Banana back. I'm forever grateful to my yoga teacher who used that term, and I cannot unheard it and stop using it, so you will hear it many times. Banana back is this, where abdominals are doing nothing, very weak, and we're arching in a lower back. Then when you put any weight on top of that, it gets very uncomfortable for the spine. So please tuck the hips in by using your abdominal muscles and keep your spine nice and protected. Knees, instead of locking, just keep them locker. Why am I speaking German suddenly? Slightly bent, okay? From here, you will press up in line with your head and go down. Up and down. As you see, when you have weight in front of you, the movement of your dumbbell is like this. Why? Because you don't want to hurt your pretty face, okay? So you have to go like that. And you also don't want to move weight diagonally in front of you, okay? Perfect. Then, of course, if that was very easy for you, you feel confident to do it with both, then we do it. Everything the same as always. If you're holding the weight, you don't want to just drop it and use spaghetti spine. You want to be firm, okay? Then we will bring the weight again 45 degrees angle of between our upper arm and body. We don't want elbows to flare out. Okay, so better even slightly in. And then from here, we are pressing up in line with our head and down and up. Okay, I will not do too many because now we will do them together. Pick your own version. If today you don't feel so motivated, but you still showed up, just do the lighter version. It's fine. This is still not workout. We are just learning the movement. But because I'm sort of your trainer here and I sort of need to show that I am strong, so I have to take both of these and pretend that I'm not tired. Let's go, 10. 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. By the way, I hate shoulder exercises. Been trying to do them more lately because my shoulders compared to other part of my arm should be a bit stronger and a bit better position and so on and so on. My body is constant Baustelle. What I also wanted to say here is that if after a couple of repetitions the person you're following on the video is still doing her chilling like nothing is happening and you're really struggling and you notice that your body is trying to do this, help with your legs to bring the weight up, it's okay. You can do that. Squeeze out a few more reps, a bit for your shoulders, a bit momentum, it's okay. But you know what's also okay? Just take a break. Put the weights down, look at her how she's continuing chilling, being strong, and you don't feel like that, it's fine. You take longer break, eventually you will get stronger, you'll be able to do more repetitions. As long as you're always giving your best, at some point that best from here will go up here, okay? Another thing, when you're doing shoulder exercises, don't expect yourself to look nice because it activates all these muscles here and you just cannot. It's completely fine. That's the real reason why I turn to the side so you don't see that. That's it. That's enough for today. School, class dismissed. Please, as always, the most important thing is what? Subscribe if you haven't, comment, share, go out on the streets and yell about my channel and yeah, you don't have to do that, but the rest would be nice. I would be really grateful. And please continue doing your homeworks. As always, I will put it at the end of the video. And as always, you can spread them out throughout the day. This is not a workout. This is just a lesson. And we want what? We just want to move and do the proper movement patterns. Okay, yeah, that's it. Ciao. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you next time.